Good day everyone, my name is Belgium D. Carriaga. We are belong of Group 2 to report about the functions and philosophy of art. Some people are motivated to do a work of art because they find it useful, say, in earning a life in expressing one's emotion, in letting one's voices be heard on certain issues, especially on morality in campaigning for a particular candidate or political platform, and etc. We can do art through our motivation to express our emotion, like in what happenings in our surroundings. For example, the controversial issue, even we cannot do to express our emotion through action, but through art we can express our emotion. And also, aside from the utilitarian school of thought, there are other many schools that dealing notion of art. Speaking of notion, this is an idea of making an art. And for Plato, an artist's work is nothing but a mimesis of the original object that is to be found in the world of ideas. These students are so, however, disagrees and considered art is a representation of the object. By representation, here is meant an artist uniquely capturing an image of reality. Okay. There are other way of making art. Instead to draw or making a painting, but there are another way, like capturing a natural image in reality. And those for the artist does not simply copy, but reproduce reality in a manner uniquely his own. Okay. When it comes in making an art, every artist, they have own originality or their own style. For example, we can create our originality of making art. Like we can make a drawing, painting. We can do this in our originality or our own style. The German philosopher Immanuel Kant has his own take of the matter by seeing the art is something that is second nature to man. According to him, there is no valid reason why people engage in art but the act itself. The expression art for art's sake thus becomes this famous battle cry. Okay, the expression art for art's sake, which is art for art's sake, is if you make an art, they're about purpose. Like for example, you can make art to express your emotion that you can do in action. The art is a way or to express your emotion on that thing happen. For Kant, art's purpose is to be purposeless. And now, let's proceed to the functions of art. Speaking of function, this is use of an object. Use an object, or practically speaking, this is use of an object. There are concerning the basic question concerning about art is why are there artists? Or better yet, we can propose why there are artists. Artists exist to express themselves, convey their emotions, ideas, and perspectives. And also, the artists to communicate with others through various forms of arts like painting, sculpture, music, and literature or performance. Basically, there are three functions of arts. Number one is personal, number two is social, the last is physical. That is the basic function. Three function of arts. Again, personal, social, and the physical. For example, the function of personal is to utilitarian public display is some expression or you can express the personal at your display in your home, like something like that. That is the function of art. The second is social. This function, one of the function is to social, is to display, especially in occasion like birthday. The art you can display that in social. And the third is physical. The physical is like, for example, music, dancing, or any performance. The term utilitarian was first coined by Jeremy Bentham. The utilitarian was first in Jeremy Bentham. And next, let's proceed to number one is fully more on the notion of happiness. It simply is provision is the popular phrase, the greatest happiness or the greatest number. It was a student, J.S. Mill, who refined it by abandoning the strict calculus or pleasure and pains as to narrow. And number two is most people are motivated to do artwork for personal reasons. Okay. Most people are motivated to do arts to, like for example, they are source of income, or they are through art, they can find their daily needs. The second example is self-expression, and self-expression to express your emotion. And the third example is escape of boredom. In Bisaya, wala sa kalay. That is one of the examples of most people are motivated to doing art. There are many various of reasons why they are making art, but one of us, there are a reason to do art. That's all my topic all about is that the next topic will be discussed on the next reporter.